Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add slow motion on video on Inshot. So let's start. First open the Inshot app. Now tap on video to start a new project and then tap on new. Now select the video you want to edit and then tap on the tick icon on bottom right corner. And the footage is now imported on my timeline. Now you have to select the footage and then scroll on the toolbar until you see speed. Now tap on speed, and if you move the slider to the left, it will slow down your footage. I'll put it to the slowest and then tap on the tick icon on the right hand side. And now let's play the video. Here you can see that the video is now on slow motion. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.